Yo guys, and welcome back to a new video here on the channel. My name is Dan Crypto. Thank you guys once again for tuning into this amazing new video here on the channel. And guys, today I will be going specifically into the price section of Ethereum and Bitcoin. And in this video, we will be discussing a potential trade here towards the upside. Because yes, guys, we can be looking for some higher prices right now, and that is of course the reason why I'm making this quick emergency video for you guys. And currently at the exact moment of recording, we are of course having a retest of the W structure right now on the Ethereum compared to US dollar pair. So this is of course looking extremely good here in my opinion. And as well, what we are seeing currently with Bitcoin is of course a thing that I will be discussing in a second here. So yes guys, earlier today we were seeing the bullish divergence and getting played out here on the 1 hourly time frame on the price action of Ethereum, and since then we're creating follow through towards the upside. So absolutely beautiful to see here. And since then we were also looking at the potential reversal structure, and right now we are seeing this reversal structure playing out here. And of course I do want to be seeing the next 1 hourly candle close above this level around the 2450 US dollars. But right now, and on the exact moment of recording, we of course retesting this certain level. And if you look to the potential price target, guys, this can be a 9% trade towards the upside. So this is a thing, of course, what I'm looking out for, and this can be definitely giving very good gains towards us. But maybe you're wondering, but Rover, earlier today you were saying to us that Ethereum is lacking strength here compared to Bitcoin. Why should we be looking to trade Ethereum right now? And the reason behind it, yes guys, I still will be saying this. Yeah, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin is still looking that it is currently having a downtrend. But guys, if you look at this, if you are going to pump 9% here compared to Bitcoin, this will be of course exactly reaching our golden pocket entry once again here. And I mean, we are also forming a double bottom over here, and the probabilities that Ethereum is going to boost a little bit towards the upside and maybe even create a W. And of course, if we're going to confirm a W, we can be looking for higher highs. But currently, yeah, we can be definitely heading towards this higher target here around the 0.7 BTC once again here. So yeah, this will be quite exciting here, what we can see. Hopefully we can be moving up here, and of course it is all depending on Bitcoin, because yeah, early today I was telling you guys as well here, it is very important for Ethereum to look at what Bitcoin is going to do here. And currently we are also seeing an insane good and bullish structure for Bitcoin playing out here. We're seeing the same W structure playing out here, but only on Bitcoin. We already broke through here, but for Bitcoin, in order to confirm the W, we have to go a little bit lower towards the 37.7k here. And of course, the 37.7k is an insane good target for Bitcoin to accumulate your Bitcoins at the current stage that we're trading on. Because yes, horizontal resistance, if we're going to see this retest, of course the previous resistance will be flipping into support. And also with our potential price target for Bitcoin for the W recovery will be also approximately a 6% trade towards the upside. So this looks very, very interesting. And the funny part, and the good part about it, not funny, and the good part about Bitcoin currently is as well, if we're going to go towards our price target, guys, we're also going to reach this resistance line, and that is of course coming together once again yeah, with Bitcoin. So 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points on this resistance line here. And guys, you know it, the more times we are testing these levels of resistance, the more likely it will be that we're going to break through here. And as well for Bitcoin, yes, I do think the probability that we can be finding massive resistance on this line is very huge. It's weekend, we want to be careful. But of course, I do think because this is already our 6th or 7th touch here, we can be easily breaking through this level as well here. So that is a thing that you can be looking out for Bitcoin as well. And of course, if we can close above the 39k, approximately 39.8k, this will be extremely bullish for Bitcoin. So in the immediate short term, on the 1 hourly time frame, of course, guys, we can be looking for higher prices. And of course, remember, this W pattern is only on the 1 hour. So this is of course a trade setup in a very low time frame. And of course, this was the thing that I was seeing. So that is the reason why I was right away making this video for you guys. And of course, if you like these kinds of videos, make sure to let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section if you appreciate these emergency updates, because yes, we were seeing Bitcoin pumping and I was thinking, okay, let's go make a video right away here. And of course, if we're talking about the 4 hourly time frame, to just quickly give you guys my opinion about it, yeah, with the recovery that we were looking for, of course, we were of course anticipating that Bitcoin is going to do some kind of a W recovery to form its bottom. And currently we are of course looking particularly good here in my opinion, and the W is still in play here. And for Bitcoin, I do think, yeah, there can be some kind of a V-shaped recovery towards the upside. And of course, if we're going to see this V-shaped recovery, we can be heading towards prices around to 41k here. And guys, remember, if we can still push a little bit higher towards the 41.5k here, there are even probabilities that we are still going to close above the 45k here for the weekly bullish the bull market support band. So that will be, of course, quite interesting if we can still do so. I mean, guys, you have to know, it is Bitcoin. If Bitcoin can correct so significantly in one day, it can also easily pump in one day. So 21% increasement in just a matter of a few days is definitely possible in exactly 1 day and 13 hours. But let's see how this will be ending, of course. But guys, this was the quick video that I was willing to make for you guys. Hopefully you enjoy these quick videos, these quick updates about Bitcoin. Only a video of 5 minutes long here, but guys, let me know if you appreciate these quick updates here, because then I will be, of course, I mean, I always keep my eyes out on the channel, on the charts here. But then, of course, if we're once again seeing something interesting, we will be definitely keeping you guys up to date here. So yeah, to quickly summon it up here, Bitcoin on the 4 hours still heading towards the W recovery, but right now on the 1 hour we are already seeing this W recovery for Bitcoin, and we are also looking at this critical downward slope and resistance line that we have to be breaking through. So of course, guys, if we're reaching this price target on the top side as well here, around the 39k here, 39/40k here, I will be bringing out an update again for you guys. So yeah, make sure to just ring the bell notification if you don't want to be missing out of these videos. And without further ado, guys, I will be checking you guys in the next one. Goodbye.